Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin Cash update, we are looking at a potential double bottom and that is now off the table. This has just become an extended horizontal channel within this dragging out double bottom. So these targets are no longer valid and we are going to take them off. However, we do now have targets for this horizontal channel both to the long side and to the short side. So if we get a close above about 326.50, the next targets to the long side are going to be 336, 341, and 346 areas. You're also going to have some resistance coming in at 338, so keep that in mind. Let me mark that level off. End of a clear path right there. To the downside, we need a close below 306, and then you'll be looking for 296.19, 291.16, and 286.14, which is just in front of the end of this major clear path. Ties in with the old 0.625 retracement projection. So that is a very powerful level down there. Let's check in on the daily chart. You also notice here, let me zoom in, rotation zone still against us. Now we could easily hit those targets the upside on the horizontal channel breakout and still be within the rotation zone. And this is key resistance anywhere in here. See how the market keeps reacting to the rotation zone. So if price does get pushed lower, these targets on the downside are very, very probable. If we do get below those and then target the last low of 280, the next two targets still below that are 268 and 256 areas. Switching over to Bitcoin US dollar, it's holding above a key 12.5% gain level, which is a really nice pattern with the rising 8. So this is the top of the rotation zone. So if this keeps consolidating, moving sideways, and does not really break through the rotation zone, we can dip below the 12.5 like we already did, but we want to see key closes above it. Then that's very bullish. It means it's just digesting this big run up, and then the typical pattern when this comes up is 8 pushing the price higher. Now, there's no guarantee of that, so let's switch over to the 4 hour. Since it is overextended, you can still see the bottom of the rotation zone is all the way back still at about 48.66. So what does the 4 hour show us? 4 hour, you can see it moving sideways, pretty much forming a horizontal channel. Still leaving the next two targets as they were before, the 60-70. There's going to be some major resistance at 6,000. Everybody's talking now about the 6,000 level and how it's having trouble breaking through 6,000. Well, really, I mean, it barely got to 5,900. That's another 100 above there, but people are really going to be targeting that level. And you could see it if it does hit that 6,000 and goes through it, a very quick run up higher. It went slightly below the rotation zone just for about one candle, snap back up, and we're essentially holding above the 37.5. If we do get below these other lows, the 54.47, watch for the next potential pullback area you'll be looking for is this 53.17 area where we have the rising 50-period exponential moving average. That's going to be very key support. That 53.17, taking that back to the daily one more time. 53.17 is just inside the 8 EMA, so it might not even get that far. It might get to 53.79. So that 17 to 79 area is going to be very key from our longer term levels. And then the next major longer term level we'll be watching for, if those are broken, is this 51.85. That's your update for both Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Hope everybody's having great success trading and investing in the cryptocurrencies, and we will talk to you soon. Bye for now.